John O'Brien out here in Watertown, Wisconsin area. Going to be talking about soil sampling. Almost everybody waits till spring to soil sample. Most progressive farmers are sampling in the fall. We're going to be doing a little bit of fall sampling out here today in the research strips out here at the new research property. A couple talking points. Why we want to sample in the fall is if you are low in pH and if you're needing to do some egg lime, pellet lime and that, this is the time to be doing it. So many different places that can spread limes are looking for jobs. You know, when it gets to be late October, November, early December, especially in the northern regions before the snow starts flying and maybe getting a little bit too deep. So again, it takes about 6 months for that egg lime to effectively work. So again, let's just say if you spread some egg lime out there in your plots, let's just say you're worried about being out there. Let's do it after you're done hunting, after gun season. So let's just say if it's late November, early December, start counting on the clock. That gives you until when those plants really demand that more efficient nutrient uptake because of the lag when you're applying egg lime and pellet lime. That's why you want to do some fall or early winter liming, and very few people are doing that. Just a couple little talking points. If you're using a shovel, if there's a lot of material on the earth's surface, scrape it off, dig down 6 inches, throw it in a pail. Go to 10 different spots in your fields, mix up that conglomerate soil sample really well, and then put it in a soil sample bag like this, or in a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag. Make sure you label it, get it to the lab. Here's something that very few people talk about. I bring this up a lot. I don't like jumping labs. Yes, there's a lot of reputable labs out there, but each of them have their own unique calibrations. And again, so it's all about benchmarking. So the soil sample isn't just about now, but if you've also have a history, look back at it. Does this sample make sense? Let's just say if you've had 2 previous samples and they both come back excessive on phosphorus and very low in potassium. What happens if this sample comes low in phosphorus and really high in potassium? Something should tell you it's not right. And we don't just look at those numbers current year, we also want to look at the trend lines. Where did it change? Did it move the needle left or right? Did it move closer to balance? Did it deplete the soils even further? Or are we even building up some nutrient levels? So that's what the soil sample should be about, versus just looking at that unique data for organic matter, phosphorus, potassium, micronutrients, and sulfurs if you're sampling for those. So we're basically creating a history and benchmarking. John O'Brien, Grand Prix Outdoors, Soil Sampling 101.